On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make up to $300 per day as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is very simple, and the requirement is that you only need to use your phone so that you can be making money from home without investing anything. So if you are new and you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to come on this website, intellism.com. On this website, what you are required to do is that you have to review websites, products so that you can be paid. You are going to become a tester on this website so that you can be testing different products. Once you test the product, you are going to be paid per every test that you take. You can see right here, some of the tests will take up to 15 to 20 minutes. That is the time that you are going to spend testing products so that you can make money. You don't need any skills to do it. All that you need to do is that you have to use your phone so that you can be working on this website. When you scroll down further, you can see these are their frequently asked questions. So you can see how quickly can I start taking studies. So when you click on it, you can see as soon as you have finished registering and then answer 3 basic profiling questions, you can get started working on this website as a tester. You can see how long are the studies going to be. So when you click on it, it is 10 to 20 minutes. Within 10 to 20 minutes, you can be able to complete a test and you are going to be paid. How old do I have to be? So when you click on it, you have to be 18 years or older so that you can be able to work on this website. You can see how many study invitations will I receive. So when you click on it, it depends on a lot of different factors. There is no specific number of studies that you can get when you are working on this website. But if you are someone who is able to perform the task very well, you can be able to get a lot of invitations within a day. How much money could I make? So when you click on it, you can see the amount that you're going to make. You can see expect to make $10 on average for standard surveys. The payment is $2 on average. So sometimes you can earn $10 per survey, in another time you can earn $2. So the amount that you earn depends on the task that you perform. When you scroll down, you can see what do I need to participate in studies. You can see you need your tablet, smartphone. You also need a computer. So any of these devices that you have, you can be able to work on this website, but you must work in a quiet area because you are going to be doing a review. You have to be talking into the phone or into the laptop so that they will hear you and then get your feedback on the product that you are testing. So you have to be at a quiet place. You can see testing softwares. So you have to be at a quiet place. You can see when do I get my money. So when you click on it, you can see your money is going to be paid via PayPal and it's going to be paid within 14 days after you have completed a task. So once you complete a task, they have to take some time so that they can review it. Once they review it within 14 days, you can receive your money. There are a lot of different websites that you can join to become a tester and then make money from home as a complete beginner. The next website that you can use to make money from home is userbrain.com. On this website, you are also going to become a tester. You have to be testing products so that you can be paid per every test that you take. When you click right here, get paid to test, they will show you all the things that you need to do so that you can become a tester on this website. Once you become a tester, each test that you take, you are going to be paid for it. Once you click on it, you can see these are the requirements. So you have to download their recorder. Once you download it, you can be able to use it to test websites. You can see you have to be testing websites, and you can see this is the pay per test. The pay is $5 per every test that you take, and it's going to be paid via PayPal accounts. You can see the test. Some of them are going to take 5 minutes, some will take up to 20 minutes. So within a short time, you can be earning $5. So imagine you are able to get a lot of tests per day, you can be earning more than $300. So what you have to do is that you have to join the website so that you can be able to test products to make money from home. You can see right here, these are the requirements. You can see what happens after I apply. So you have to take the time and then read through everything. When then we review your video, give you feedback on how and what you might improve in your future tasks. So once you submit a test, they are going to review it and then tell you your weakness and your strengths so that you can improve on your weaknesses. You can see we have already talked about the payment. You are going to be earning $5 per every test that you take. When you scroll down, you can click right here so that you can watch an example video on how to test products so that you can be paid. It is very simple. All that you need is your mobile phone. Once you have your mobile phone, you can download their screen recorder. Once you download it, you can be able to test on this website and you are going to be paid. The next website that you can become a tester is usertesting.com. Usertesting.com is one of the websites that you can test products to make money. It is a very big company, and the best part is that it is one of the websites where you can get a lot of different tests to take. So each test that you take, you are going to be paid if you are able to complete it. To become a tester on this website, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, get paid to test. Once you click on it, they will show you everything that you need to do so that you can be testing on this website. As you can see right here, boost your monthly income in your free time. Try the ultimate side hustle. It is easy, fast, simple. Share your perspective on products and experiences and make money online from the comfort of your home. So what you need to do is that you have to test products. Once you test the product, you submit the video and you are going to get paid. So search for the website. Once you search for it, you can be able to get all the information about how you can make money on this website. You can see a whole lot of different information about the website. As you can see the frequently asked questions, do I have to pay to be a contributor? No, you don't need to pay for anything. The next question is, how much do I get paid and when do I get paid? Once you click on it, you can see reward amounts range depending on the test type. Your test feed will always show you the amount you will get paid for each test. Payments for completed tests are usually sent within 14 days later. So once you take a test, your payment is going to be sent to you within 14 days. What kind of device do I need? So when you click on it, you can see the devices that you need. You can see you can use your mobile phone to do it. You can see Android, iOS. So any device that you have, you can be able to use it to make money on this website. Apart from that, do I need a microphone to become a contributor? So when you click on it, yes, you need a microphone. They have recommended inexpensive microphones that you can use to test the product so that you can get paid. Apart from that, you can see, do I need to download anything? When you click on it, if you apply from a computer, you will not need to download anything for the practice test. If you apply from a mobile device, you will need to download our user testing app from the App Store or Google Play. So whether you download anything or not, it depends on the device that you're using. Apart from that, is PayPal the only way to get paid? When you click on it, yes, so you must have a PayPal account so that you can receive money on this website. Are my payments taxed? The answer is user testing does not withhold any tax from payments, so you are not going to be paying any tax. Apart from that, how do I apply to be a contributor? When you click on it, you can see these are the application process. Just click on it so that you can follow the prompt and then create a free account. Once you create a free account, you can become a contributor on this website so that you can be testing products and get paid per every test that you take. It is very simple. So what you have to do is that you have to create an account with the 3 websites that I've shown you. You have to create different accounts so that you can be making money from home. So the first one, if you are able to answer all the tests that are given to you within a day, you can move to the next one, answer the tests that are given to you in that day, move to the next one, and then answer the test that is given to you within that day. So within one day, you can be able to do different tests and then make up to $300 per day. Don't depend on one website. You have to create an account with the 3 of them so that any of them that you get a test, you can be able to perform it and then make money from home. If you depend on one website, you are not going to be making up to $300 per day because the payment is low. But if you use all the 3 websites, you can be able to make up to $300 even if you have 0 skills. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.